अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर कैंडिडेट्स, इंस्पेक्टर एंड लैंड रिव्यू। आज मैं आप लोगों के साथ 30 मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट MCQs जो एग्ज़ाम के लिहाज से बहुत अहम है वो मैं आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करने जा रहा हूँ। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज़ नॉट एमंग द हेड ऑफ टोटल इनकम? ऑप्शन ए सैलरी, बी इनकम फ्रॉम प्रॉपर्टी बिजनेस, सी इनकम फ्रॉम सेल्स कैपिटल गेन्स। The correct option is C, income from sales. Question 3. Under which section a non-resident person receiving profit on the security which is issued by a resident person is exempted from income tax? Option A 44, 45, 46, 47. The correct option is C 46. Question number 4. Capital gains are discussed under which section of Income Tax Ordinance 2001? Option A 17, option B 37, option C 38, option D 18. The answer is B 37. Question number 5. Third head of income tax discusses about salary, income from business, income from sales, capital gains. The correct option is B, income from business. Question number 6. Salary includes option A pay, option B wages, option C remunerations, option D all of the above. The answer is D, all of the above. Question number 7. According to blank act, a diplomatic officials are exempted from income tax. Option A Diplomatic and Consular Privileges Act 1969, B UN Privileges and Immunity Act 1948, C Diplomatic and Consular Privileges Act 1972, none of the above. The answer is C Diplomatic and Consular Act 1972. Question number 8. Income from property means option A income from rent, option B income from selling a house, option C both A and B, option D none of the above. Correct answer is A, income from rent. Question number 9. Income from movable property falls under which head of income? A salary, B income from business, C income from property, D capital gains. The answer is B, income from business. Question number 10. Income Tax Ordinance 2001 became effective from option A 1st July 2001, option B 1st June 2001, option C 1st July 2002, option D 13 September 2001. Correct option is C 1st July 2002. Question number 11. What is the period mentioned for a short-term resident individual under Section 50 of the Income Tax Ordinance 2001? 2 years, 4 years, 3 years, 6 years. The answer is C, 3 years. Question 12. How many chapters are there in Income Tax Ordinance 2001? Option A 6, option B 10, option C 11, option D 13. Question number 13. Exemption and tax concession and income tax ordinance are discussed under chapter. Option A 2nd, option B 3rd, option C 4th, option D 5th. The correct answer is B 3rd. Question number 14. When Ahmad sells his services in a shop, then he gets income that fall under head. However, if he sells the whole shop and gets income fall under खाली जगह head. तो ये कह रहा है कि अगर अहमद कोई सर्विसेज दे रहा है एक शॉप में, उससे जो इनकम कमा रहा है वो कौन से हेड में फॉल करेगा, अगर वो पूरा का पूरा शॉप सेल करे तो वो कौन से हेड में फॉल करेगा। ऑप्शन है सैलरी बिजनेस, प्रॉपर्टी बिजनेस, बिजनेस कैपिटल गेन बिजनेस। करेक्ट ऑप्शन is C, business and capital gain. Question 15. When a person sells his immovable property and gets income from it, this income fall under blank head. Option A, salary. Option B, income from property. Option C, income from business. Option D, capital gain. The correct option is D, capital gain. Question number 16. Speculation business are discussed under which section of Income Tax Ordinance 2001? Option A 17, option B 18, option C 19, option D 20. The answer is C 19. Which method of accounting will a company use according to Income Tax Ordinance? Option A, cash based. Option B, cash and accrual. Option C, accrual based. Option D, both B and C. The answer is C, accrual based. Question number 18. Income from dividends and royalty fall under which head of income? Property, salary, business, other sources. The answer is D, other sources. Question 19. Deduction and computing income chargeable under the head of income from other sources is explained under option A 38, option B 39, option C 40, option D none of the above. The answer is C 40. Question 20. Cost of depreciable assets being a passenger transport vehicle not plying for hire. Option A, up to Rs 20 million, up to 2.5 million, up to Rs 3.5 million, up to Rs 4 million. The answer is B, up to 2.5 million. Question 21. What was the benchmark rate for tax year 2001 for the employer loan to an employee? जो बेंचमार्क रेट था एम्प्लॉयर जो एम्प्लॉई को लोन देता है तो उसके लिए 2003 में जो शुरू हुआ था फर्स्ट रेट बता रहा है कितना था, 5%, 6%, 8%, 10%। तो ये जब शुरू हुआ था तो 5% था। अब अगर अब का पूछे तो अब ये 10% पे फ्रीज है। सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज ए 5%. Question 22. How much a pharmaceutical manufacturer can spend on advertisement? Option A 5% after an hour, option B 7.5% after an hour, option C 10% after an hour, option D none of the above. The correct answer is C 10% of the turn hour. Question 23. Intangible means a patent, model, secret formula or process, D all of the above. The answer is D, all of the above. Question 24. A resident company operating hotel business in Pakistan on or after 1st July 2020 shall carry forward loss up to, जो एक रेजिडेंट कंपनी है पाकिस्तान में वो होटल बिज़नेस ऑपरेट करती है तो वो 1 जुलाई 2020 से के बाद से ऑपरेट करते हैं या 1 जुलाई पे ऑपरेट करते हैं, तो ये अपना लॉस कितने साल तक कैरी फॉरवर्ड कर सकते हैं? ऑप्शन ए 6 ईयर, ऑप्शन बी 7 ईयर, ऑप्शन सी 8 ईयर्स, ऑप्शन डी 10 ईयर्स। द आंसर इज सी 8 ईयर्स. Question 25. Setup of losses allowed only if amalgamating company continues business for minimum of ब्लैंक ईयर्स आफ्टर अमलगमेशन, यानी अमलगमेटिंग कंपनी कितने साल तक अपने लॉस को सेटअप कर सकती है अगर वो कितने साल अपना बिजनेस जो है वो अमलगमेशन के बाद कंटिन्यू रखे। ऑप्शन ए 4, ऑप्शन बी 5, ऑप्शन सी 6, ऑप्शन डी 7। तो अमलगमेटिंग कंपनी अगर अमलगमेशन के बाद अपना बिजनेस 5 साल तक, मिनिमम अपना बिजनेस 5 साल तक जारी रखने के लिए सेटअप ऑफ लॉसेस कर सकते हैं, अलाउड है। सो द आंसर इज बी 5। क्वेश्चन नंबर 28, deductible allowances for education expense is allowed if the individual taxable income is less than option A $500,000, option B $1 million, option C $1.5 million, option D $2 million। डिडक्टेबल अलाउंसेस एजुकेशन एक्सपेंस के लिए, अगर एक बंदा एजुकेशन एक्सपेंस के लिए, अपने बच्चों के एजुकेशन के लिए डिडक्टेबल अलाउंस ले रहा है तो वो उसकी इनकम कितनी होनी चाहिए। द आंसर इज सी 1.5 मिलियन, यानी अगर किसी बंदे का इनकम, टैक्सेबल इनकम 1.5 मिलियन से कम है तो वो डिडक्टेबल अलाउंस फॉर एजुकेशन ले सकता है। क्वेश्चन 27, which section of income tax ordinance 2001 deal with estate and bankruptcy? Option A 52, option B 54, option C 138B, option D 139। The correct option is answer C 138B। Question number 28, what is the formula of tax credit for health insurance? A divided by B multiplied by C, A plus B n2 multiplied by C, A multiplied by B n2 plus C, D none of the above। The answer is A divided by B n2 multiplied by C। Question 29, how much an associate of a company can donate as charity of his taxable income? यानी जो एक एसोसिएट्स है कंपनी का, वो अपनी कितनी डोनेशन दे सकता है इस अपने टैक्सेबल इनकम का। तो याद रखिए, कंपनी और एसोसिएशन ऑफ पर्सन और इंडिविजुअल जो डोनेशन देता है उसका एसोसिएट्स जो है उसका आधा देगा एज अ चैरिटी। तो ऑप्शन ए 10%, बी 15%, सी 20%, D 30%। The answer is A 10%। Question 30, what is the second schedule of income tax ordinance 2001 deal with? A rates, B active taxpayer list, C depreciation, D exemption। The answer is D exemption। तो प्लीज़ आप लोग ये चैनल सब्सक्राइब करें मज़ीद वीडियो देखने के लिए और इसको लाइक करें। थैंक यू।